In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for open profiles on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking, and learning how to identify open profiles can be especially beneficial if you're looking to connect with new people or expand your professional network without any barriers. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to get that done either by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password to access your LinkedIn profile. If you have set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you with an additional security check, usually involving a code sent to your phone. This step ensures your account stays secure, so just follow the instructions provided by LinkedIn to verify your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to seek out those open profiles. Now, something to keep in mind is while there's no straightforward filter for open profiles within LinkedIn's search filters, you can identify them through a little detective work. The way you do this is by visiting a person's profile, clicking on the message button and seeing if the messaging box displays the words free message. Begin by searching for the profiles of individuals you're interested in contacting. LinkedIn's search feature is quite robust, so use specific names or keywords related to the industry or role to narrow down your search results. When you locate a profile you want to explore, click to visit their profile page. Here's where it gets interesting. Look for the message button on their profile, click it, and if you find that the messaging box says free message, you've successfully identified an open profile. Let's delve a bit into what open profiles actually signify. This feature is offered as part of the LinkedIn Premium subscription. It allows any LinkedIn user, regardless of whether they are in your network or not, to send you a message free of charge. It's a pretty neat way for premium members to facilitate more open communication lines and encourage connections. Now, knowing how to find these open profiles can significantly enhance your networking strategy. It means you can reach out directly to influential figures, potential mentors, or collaborators on LinkedIn without the usual restrictions. You just need to spot those free message indicators. As you practice this, you'll become more efficient in identifying open profiles, enabling you to strategically grow your network by connecting with people who might not typically be accessible. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to harness the power of LinkedIn for your professional endeavors. Thanks for tuning in and happy networking.